Okay, hello grade 8. Okay, so this is the part 3 of our discussion in quarter 1, week 2. Sa part 2 natin, diniscuss po natin yung factoring of quadratic trinomials of the form of ax squared plus bx plus c where a is equal to 1. Okay, so this time in part 3, ang next na discussion natin is factoring quadratic trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c where a is greater than 1. Okay, so ito yung form na gagamitin natin. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so where where a is greater than 1. Okay, so kanina a is equal to 1. Okay, paano naman kapag yung a natin or yung value ng a natin ay mas mataas na sa 1? Okay, so ano naman yung gagawin natin or paano naman natin mahahanap yung factor quadratic trinomials? Okay, so pwede po natin gamitin yung AC test method. Kung makikita nyo dyan sa last ninyo, nandyan po yung form na gagamitin natin para sa AC test method. Paano ba natin gagamitin yung AC test method sa pagkuha ng factor ng quadratic trinomials of the form of ax squared plus bx plus c where a is greater than 1. Okay, so yung form natin na gagamitin, so we have x squared plus bx plus c is equal to ax plus p times the quantity of ax plus q all over or divided by a where p and q is equal to AC. Okay, so where P and Q is equal to the product of AC. Okay, and P plus Q or the sum of P and Q is equal to B. Okay, so subukan natin yung example letter A. Okay, so pwede nyo buksan yung last ninyo para mas makasunod kayo. Kasi dyan sa last ninyo, dyan tayo nakabase. Okay, so subukan natin sagutan yung letter A. Okay, so that is 2x squared minus x minus 15. Okay, so ang first step natin, is kukunin natin yung value ng ating A, ng ating B, and ng ating C. Okay, so A is always beside of x squared. So, ang A natin ay 2. At yung B natin is always beside of or the numerical coefficient of x. So, understood na ang ating B ay negative 1. So, wag kalimutan yung sign. Okay, next is yung C. So, C is the constant. So, ang ating C or yung value ng C natin is negative 15. After nyan, kukunin natin yung product ng A at C. So, A and C is equal to 2 times negative 15. So, 2 times negative 15, the value is negative 30. Huwag niyong kakalimutan yung rule for multiplication of integers. So, pag unlike sign, so the answer is always negative. Kapag like sign, the answer is always positive. Okay, so next step natin is we find the factors of negative 30 whose sum is negative 1. Okay, so dapat daw yung sum natin is yung negative 1 or yung letter B. Okay, so hahanapin natin yung ating factors ang factors ng negative 30. Okay, so ano yung mga factors ng negative 30 natin? So meron na tayong 2 times negative 15, yung negative 6 times 5. Ano pa? So meron tayong pwede ring negative 5 times 6. Ito yung mga factors natin na pwede natin gamitin. Okay, so pwede rin kayong mag-try ng iba pang factors kung sa tingin nyo meron pa kayong naiisip na ibang factors. Okay, next is yung sum. Dapat daw, yung sum of factors natin, equal siya sa letter B. Okay, so yung B natin is negative 1. So, dapat yung magiging sum natin is equal to negative 1. So, titingin tayo dito kung alin dito yung mag-i-equal sa negative 1. 2 plus negative 15 that give us negative 13. So, negative 6 plus 5. So, unlike sign, so subtract, then copy the sign of the highest number. So, the answer is negative 1. Negative 5 and 6. So, that is the sum is positive 1. So, obviously, ang gagamitin natin yung negative 6 and positive 5 because negative 6 times 5 is equal to negative 30. Negative 6 plus 5 is equal to negative 1. Okay, so ang gagamitin ngayon natin is negative 6 and 5. So after nito, after this step, ang gagawin na ninyo is, okay, so medyo mahaba na yung step natin, so hindi na kasya sa aking whiteboard. So gamit tayo ng ibang space. Step 3, the resulting factors are P and Q. Okay, so yung magiging P natin, ay itong negative 6 at ang magiging Q natin ay yung positive 5. So this is our P and this is our Q. Okay, so yan na yung magiging ano natin. So value ng P and this is the value of Q. Okay, so isusulat na natin siya sa ating form. So this is our form. So after nyo ma-identify yung ating P and Q, so after ninyo ma-identify yung P and Q natin, substitute ngayon natin siya dito sa ating. So we have the trinomial. So yung trinomial natin, 2x squared minus x minus 15 is equal to, so our A is 2x. So, copy the variable plus P. So, our P is negative 6. And then, A, again, our A is 2. Copy the variable x plus Q. Our Q is 5. And then, all over, our A is 2. So, napansin nyo dito, we have positive and negative. So, i-multiply nyo lang siya. So, positive times negative 6. So, that is 2x minus 6 times the quantity of 2x plus 5 over 2. So, napapansin nyo sa first binomial natin, we can factor out using the GCMF or the greatest common factor. So, the greatest common factor of 2 and 6 is 2. Okay, so greatest common factor nila is 2. So, pwede natin ilabas yung 2. So, we can divide 2x divided by 2, that is x. And minus 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Times 2x plus 5 over 2. So, we can now cancel out 2. So, ang matitira natin ay x minus 3. The quantity of x minus 3 times the quantity of 2x plus 5. Okay, so, yan na po yung ating magiging factor.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너